around Italy, you with your book designing, me with my mouth open going, oh my gosh, this is amazing. We'd end up here today.
Absolutely, it is amazing. You know, to think we've come this far, and now I'm able to design my own brand for QVC, which I love.
Deservingly so.
It's exclusive, and I really worked very hard on it. And some pieces today are some of my favorites, but I love this earring. We were talking about it beforehand, and you are wearing the beautiful silver color. Yeah. But to me, this exemplifies what is really an updated twist on the traditional drop earring and also the hoop earring, because it's that teardrop that comes down and kind of looks like, I call it molten gold, so to speak. It looks like it's just dripping, and it's a very special shape. We're calling it the Premier Droplets earring because it is based on a very high-end designer earring that is cost prohibitive, and we did our own version of it, and I love what we've done. So when this comes up, this shot comes up, I want to show you that you'll see where the finding is. The post is lower than the earlobe, where the earlobe goes, so it covers up over the earlobe. And I'm looking at your ear, and you can see it, which I like because a lot of women who have torn earlobes, or just you don't want to show anything. It hides everything from the earring, and I love that because it's a very clean look, tailored. You can wear this anywhere, any time of day. It's not like, oh, I can only wear this out in the town. You know, you can wear this anywhere. But it's just simple, beautiful.
And it's substantial looking. It makes an impact, and it's lovely.
Yes.
This is my favorite kind of earring. This is electroform, and David taught me this a long time ago. Electroform has a sculpted look, has a movement, has a sensuality to it that no other form of creating this look can really capture for you. Do you see what I'm talking about in that? Now, the reason I knew that is there's always a tiny little pinhole.
Yes.
Because the whole process, when it first came out, was it first out of Germany, Electroform?
Yeah.
It was very expensive. The chemicals were very hard to get in the beginning. And so when we would look at that jewelry, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and more hundreds of dollars.
Exactly.
Now today, it's much more common. There's many more people who are able to do electroform, and that's what David has brought to us here. Among his collection, some of the most beautiful pieces. You just got back from Italy, which is very cool.
I just got back last week. Yeah, so you know what's great when I'm in Italy is I get to experience, well, one, what are the new things happening in Italy, and what are the things in Italy, the trends that are still the same as before. And that's what you want to see. You want to see these trends last, because then they become must-haves. Right. And this is an earring that, while it started off as a huge trend, it really is a must-have. It's never going to go out of style. And you talk about the electroform process, and simply, it's a process that allows you to do sculpting in earrings that normally you would never be able to do with other processes. And that's really what this is about. If you were going to do this in any other way, it'd have to be a solid earring, and it would be 10 grams in each ear. Yeah. This is very comfortable because we are very sensitive towards the amount of weight we want for each ear. So this is about 4 grams per earring, and that's what you want. So it's very lightweight. You don't feel it. We want to. I was thinking of the comfortable factor for the ladies out there who are purchasing today.
And it has a nice elongated straight post and a very secure butterfly clasp
it's
back
oversized,
to it.
A little bit bigger because I wanted you to be able to put it on easily. But again, this is, you know, we're talking about a clearance, a sale price like this, and it blows me away because I always say, like, I'm always talking to Celine, our vendor, and I'm always like, well, if QVC was gonna buy this today, it wouldn't even be close. Well, so I always do that too. If this was in, this is an 18 karat over sterling or rhodium over sterling, but if this was in solid gold, it would be $3,000.
Yeah, because the Italians create an 18 karat gold. So David is able to work with, listen, how many years? 30, 40?
32 years in the business now.
All right.
24 at QVC as a buyer.
Yeah, and this man was here before anyone else. In the building, working every day. He has, if you'll forgive me for saying it this way, he knows people in the business. You've been to all the factories, you know the techniques, and now you walk the shows for us. That's why when you get this box, if you're lucky enough to ever get the David Markstein collection, here's the box. Here's the beautiful pouch that comes with it. There are 17 days to Valentine's Day. Do not let me catch you at the mall buying some jewelry out of a jewelry store and you don't know the background of it. You're meeting the designer. He's here for us right now. 1 inch long, 3/8 of an inch wide on it. And that's not only gold. Yellow gold plating, but it's 18 karat gold. So you and I work with 18 karat gold. That's more gold, has a more passionate presence of gold when we talk about that. And there's also these that you may want to ask about, the sterling silver. So you could get the sterling silver. They're on wait list. Okay, so if they come back,
it's worth it though.
It would be worth it. For $60 in earrings,
it's amazing for sterling silver or 18 karat and Italian. Italian's always a premium, but you know, you build these relationships with these factories over this much time. They end up trusting you, and you trust them. So they want ideas from me.
And they bring him designs before they bring anybody else designs.
Always. You develop the relationships you build over time. It doesn't happen organically. It's over time, because the Italian factories are very weary of who are these merchants, who are these buyers, but they know me every time I go there. Like, hey, David, how are you? You know, some of them are family to me now.
Yeah, they sure are. I still remember going with you to Jean.
Jante, yes.
Jante.
One of the best.
Yes, without a doubt. Who introduced me to port.